US crude has beautifully respected the levels which we shared in our twice a day analysis yesterday, 83.8 on the downside, 85.5 on the upside. It has precisely stayed within the range, yielded higher lows and flat top. Now, what to expect today from US crude, which position you should take, how we can make profit trading crude oil today, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Let's start first to look at the hourly charts and towards move towards the daily charts later before I give you the trading levels and strategy. Watch till the end, and yes, your every like, share, subscribe and comment is a great support, motivation, inspiration for me to deliver on time every time to the best of my ability. Now see, if you look at the crude oil's movement, you will find, look at this candle, and the complete movement of oil so far is engulfed between this candle. It is not willing to break either upside or downside from these levels. Yes, it is trading sideways and I will wait for a break. This is very clear. Moving averages have almost stayed flat here, not showing any signs here. Now on the upside, see once again 85 levels is where 85, 85.2 and 85.56 zone is where we have maximum resistance. Any point of time, if you see oil staying above 85.5, 85.6 zone, you can say that the bulls are trying to take over, and then we will look forward to 86 as the first target, 86.5 as the next target, and then my favorite level at 87.6 and 88 levels will come into picture. Now those who follow me for long must recall that on the upside 87.6, 88 is the first and greatest resistance. Beyond that, directly it will land to 90 whenever it does. So far on the early charts, it is taking the support from the 20 period moving average here. If you look at stochastic, this is near to the top here. The MACD has seen a good wave. It is crossing over. It can possibly yield more bullishness from here. We have to wait a little. Once it takes a direction, the bullish momentum may prevail. RSI comfortable, neither bullish nor bearish. Look at 2-hour charts here. On the 2-hour charts, after forming and consolidating here, it has given a gap up here. Yes, a gap needs to be filled. Only point is when it tries to fill that gap. Right now, yes, it is yielding higher lows, it is yielding lower highs. Any drop below 83.8, just stay short. But in fact, 83.8, if you are selling, 83.5, 83, and then 82 levels, 82.4. So these are three major support levels, and 82 is the ultimate support. It oil has to stay below 82 in order to confirm the drop, in order to confirm the, as long as it stays above 82, we should not be treating this as bearish. Now see, moving averages have converged here. These are on the verge of a crossover. Good signs for the bulls. Stochastic rising, it has come to overbought levels. MACD has just crossed over, trying to trade with slight divergence, slight bearishness. RSI is flat. Coming to 3-hour, on the 3-hour chart, see the price is getting downward push with every candle. This is what I am observing here. Yes, there are supports available, but at the same time on the upside there is lot much of resistance. You can see there is a push from the upside, 85 levels giving it a good push. It is not willing to stay above 85, and this makes this zone completely between 85 and 85.6 as a critical resistance zone. Also, if you observe drop retracement, and if it breaks below 84.4 levels, you can sell here, but then 84.2, 83.8 levels is what you should look forward to. Stochastic is rising, MACD is in green, RSI is staying flat. Coming to 4-hour chart. Now look at 4-hour chart. See, first of all, here you'll find lower highs and higher lows, and this candle is trying to break out. So on the 3-hour charts, while we have seen that there is a push on the downside, on the 4-hour charts, the previous candle was a bullish candle. Now I'll wait for this candle. Once it takes a direction above 85, possibly little more bullishness may prevail. We may look forward to 85.6 levels here, and beyond that more bullishness may prevail, taking it till towards 87.6, 88 levels. Stochastic rising, MACD is in green, trying to stay bullish, RSI staying flat. Coming to the daily chart. On the daily chart, see after this bullish candle, these are just consolidation candles. Wait for the third candle. Once it gives a breakout over 85.6 and 86, just stay long. See 20 period moving average sitting at around 87. This is first resistance, then 87.6 and 88. These are three major resistances. Possibility for oil to achieve these levels exist, and hence we have to trade with caution. We have to wait for a breakout for it to take a direction, and we have to take an entry once it takes a direction. Stochastic is rising here, MACD is bearish. It can possibly converge, crossover for a buy. Too much of divergence calls for a convergence and a reversal. RSI also rising. Now looking at this, We have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. The 26th batch is going to start on 16th of October. Limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Remember, equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategies which can help you identify profitable trades and help you trade profitably. And this is the only investment which can reap the profits to you throughout your life. And thus, reach out to me for more details via Telegram or email. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, for the day, as I will discuss, you can buy here at 85, but with a caution note that it has to break on the upside above 85.6 levels. So 85.2 is the first resistance zone. Then next is 85.4, 85.6. I cannot help, but these are very, very nearby. And thus you have to put your stop loss at your entry price, and we have to wait for it to break past 85.6. Beyond this, we will look forward to 86.2, 87, 87.6, and 88. Yes, these levels are achievable and it can do it in a single day. We have to just wait for the breakout. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 84.4 levels, but with a caution note, 84.2, 84, 83.8. It has to stay below 83.8, and then you can say that oil is trying to trade with slight bearish bias. Below 83.8, the first resistance is 83.5, 83.4 levels, then 83, and then 82.4. 82.4 is a great support and it's a gap filling exercise also, and then 82. As long as 82 is respected by oil, we are not going to treat oil as bearish. This is also very, very. So take your trades accordingly, and before leaving this video, just press the like button, do share, subscribe, and comment, friend. This is the first update for the day. The second update will be released before the US session. Thus, you can also get the live market updates by joining my free Telegram channel. The links are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. See you again before the US session update. Thank you.